Today, we're going to go over how to clean a fountain pen. If you use fountain pens, it's a good idea to clean them regularly to keep the ink flowing nicely and avoid clogging. If old ink dries in the feed, it can build up over time and cause issues. Fountain pens are made up of the cap, the barrel, the ink feed, and the nib itself. They use bottled ink or ink cartridges. Over time, particles from ink, paper fibres, and general dust can all build up on the nib and inside the feed itself. So, how do we clean a fountain pen? Well, we need to take it apart first so we can clean each section. First, remove the cap and the pen barrel. I'm going to run these under water to remove any ink residue, especially inside the cap where it builds up the most. Then I'll pop them to the side. This pen still has its converter in, so I'll remove this, empty the old ink, ready for a new colour. I'm now left with the ink feed and nib. I'm going to hold the nib section under some warm water, holding it downwards so the water is running through it the same way the ink would. Keep doing this until the water runs clear. You can also use the converter for a more thorough cleaning. Get your clean converter, insert into the pen as you would using it with ink, wind down the piston, then pop the nib back into water, wind it back up and empty. Repeat this process until the water in your converter runs clear. Leave all the parts to dry for a few hours. Once dry, you can put your newly cleaned pen back together and enjoy your new ink colour. We hope you found this useful and be sure to let us know what videos you would like to see next.